sperm health plays a crucial role in male fertility, and various factors can influence sperm count and quality. While lifestyle changes and medical interventions are important, certain foods can also contribute positively to reproductive health. This article explores the top 5 natural foods that have been scientifically proven to enhance sperm count. 1. Walnuts. Walnuts are not just a tasty snack, they are also a powerhouse of nutrients beneficial for male fertility. Research has shown that walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for sperm development. A study published in the journal Biology of Reproduction found that men who incorporated walnuts into their diet experienced a significant increase in sperm count and motility. The antioxidants present in walnuts also help combat oxidative stress, which can negatively affect sperm quality. 2. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, particularly varieties that contain at least 70% cocoa, can be an aphrodisiac and a fertility booster. It is rich in flavonoids, which are compounds known for their antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are crucial for protecting sperm from oxidative damage. A study featured in the journal Fertility and Sterility revealed that the flavonoids in dark chocolate can improve sperm parameters, including count, motility, and morphology. Additionally, dark chocolate can enhance blood flow, which is vital for reproductive health. 3. Spinach. Leafy greens like spinach are another excellent addition to a fertility-boosting diet. Spinach is high in folate, a B vitamin that plays a vital role in DNA synthesis and repair, essential for healthy sperm production. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlighted that adequate folate intake is associated with improved sperm quality and reduced risk of sperm abnormalities. Moreover, spinach is rich in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and promote overall reproductive health. 4. Oysters. Oysters are often touted as a natural aphrodisiac, and they come with a scientific backing. These shellfish are incredibly rich in zinc, a mineral crucial for testosterone production and sperm health. Research published in the journal Urology indicated that zinc deficiency could lead to low testosterone levels and decreased sperm production. By consuming oysters, men can boost their zinc intake, thereby potentially increasing sperm count and improving sexual health. Additionally, oysters contain omega-3 fatty acids, further supporting reproductive health. 5. Berries. Berries, especially blueberries and strawberries, are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are beneficial for sperm health. A study in the journal Reproductive Biology and Endocrinology found that diets high in antioxidants, particularly from fruits like berries, were associated with improved sperm quality and motility. Antioxidants help protect sperm from oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can negatively impact sperm count. The vitamins found in berries, such as vitamin C, also contribute to overall reproductive health. Conclusion: incorporating these 5 natural foods into your diet can be a delicious and effective way to boost sperm count and enhance overall reproductive health. Walnuts, dark chocolate, spinach, oysters, and berries are all backed by scientific research demonstrating their positive effects on sperm quality and quantity. Alongside a balanced diet, maintaining a healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management is essential for optimal reproductive health. By making informed dietary choices, men can take proactive steps toward improving their fertility and overall well-being.